All right, let's see what we got now. Oh no. All right, my man. Now, we don't know how long that's going to stay together, but fucking A, man. Sounds pretty good. Made oil pressure. That's what we wanted. The carburetors are leaking a little bit. I'm getting a little leak around these seals, so I'm going to order a kit for all these. It's $100 for all the seals that go in here, but man, I'm I'm surprised, dude. I'm afraid to get the headers on it and everything, and you know, put it in gear and go down the street and have a rod come out the bottom, or a piston ring bind up, or I don't know, man, higher RPM and have a valve hit or something. But you know, at least we had some life in it. Talk to you later.